want to speak to you a few words. After that, we will start with the events. Hello. Everyone is in mute. Good evening.
Hello.
And thanks
Diva.
for all your wishes and greetings. Bindu, wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Please
Okay.
mute. Thanks to all of you for all your greetings and messages, drawings, crafts, everyone. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Wait. Please in mute, Akshita. Okay. Ready. There is a quote that a child gives birth to a mother. Is it correct? A child gives birth to a mother. Is it right? No, na? A mother gives birth to a child. That is correct, na? No.
Yes,
The child gives birth to a mother. Child होने तक mother नहीं है. Na? Just like that, a student gives life to a teacher. Without students, there will be no teacher.
yes.
So you are my strength. You all are my inspiration. Na?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
So you all are the backbones of Nrityati.
Yes.
So let us start.
Yes.
Okay. So one by one, I will call out the names according to the list I have made. There are 13 speeches, drawings, crafts, dance presentations, poems, songs, everything is there. So it will be a grand program, I think. Last year, it was a grand function. All of you are remembering? That was a wonderful opportunity too. That was on the day of our cute little Raisha's birthday. So we were celebrated both the functions together, na? With a big cake. Are you remembering? Bindu and I brought a big cake.
Yes, teacher.
So Raisha is missing that day, I think. Raisha? It is coming only 2 days left for her birthday.
Yes.
So we are starting the program. Let us pray to God. There won't be any restrictions in the network connection. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
First we will start. जिसका मैं नाम बोलूंगी उनका मैं अनम्यूट करके स्पॉटलाइट वीडियो में रखूंगी. ठीक है, बाकी सब लोग म्यूट पे ही रहना और लिसन टू द प्रोग्राम केयरफुली एंड एनकरेज योर फ्रेंड्स. Okay. The first will be a prayer song to seek the blessings of Lord Almighty. It will be presented by 6th year student Dipti. Ready, Dipti? Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah, Ajnanatimmirandasya, Jnananjanashalakaya, Chakshurunnilitam Yena, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तथा शिवसमारम्भं शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां. ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि.
Thank you, Dipti. It was indeed a blissful song. Next will be a prayer dance. After a prayer song, there is a prayer dance. It is performing by Sneha. This dance is performed today for her school's Teachers' Day celebration, St. Thomas Academy. Let us welcome Sneha with a prayer dance. ऑडियो सुन रहे सबको? सुन रहे ऑडियो? ओके. म्यूजिक सुनाई दे रहे ना दीप्ति?
नहीं.
No, music is not.
No.
Wait for a minute.
Teacher. टीचर अभी सुनाई दे रहा है. टीचर अभी सुनाई दे रहा है.
हाँ, ओके ओके श्रेया. Thank you, Sneha. Anamika online?
Yes.
Ah. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, let us worship Goddess Saraswati, Vidya Devata. Here, Anamika with a Saraswati Vandana. Audio correct? Audio? Raisha? Soumyata?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Anamika. Let Goddess Saraswati worship you all the fields of learning with so much of brilliance, intelligence, memory power, and concentration. Next, Geetika online. Geetika online.
Yes.
Next is our senior student Geetika with acute speech.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, which means a triad of God, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are our gurus. All teachers remove darkness from our lives and fill with light of wisdom. Hence will go to all the teachers. Yes, yes, my dear friends, I Geetika speak to you a few words on Teachers Day. Today, 5th September is celebrated as Teacher Day in memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. whose birthday falls on the same day. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, teacher, and promoted learning. So, we students celebrate Teachers Day to thank all teachers for their blessings in our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Geetika. Next is a poem by Akshita, our final year student, Akshita. Where is Akshita? Ready?
Yep.
The same thing happened last year also, I remember. What is this? Huh? Start.
क्या
ऐसा किया था last year भी आके.
क्या किया था मैंने?
ऐसा ऐसा किया था.
हाँ.
Covered your face, हाँ. Start.
स्टार्ट करूं?
Wait. Ready, go.
When alphabets were aliens to me, you were there. While my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The time when you taught me to face the people who used to say that I can't do this. The manner with which I speak up today is only because of you. You held me when wind blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teaching will stay. To all my teachers, friends, parents who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is a very happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you, Akshita. Next is a dance performance by Anandini. Anandini is online?
Yes.
Yeah. Here comes your dance.
Teachers Day. Teachers Day. I am Anandini Kunyaman. I am going to perform one dance for my all beloved teachers.
Audio correct? Akshi, audio correct? Akshita, audio correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Anandini.
Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
നമുക്കും കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
തന്നെ വേണം. പിന്നെ അത് കയറി വരുന്നു. It was an energetic dedication, dear. Thank you so much. Next is Ananya. Ananya online?
Yes, Miss.
Ananya showing her gratitude through a poem.
Miss, can I start?
Yeah, start.
The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower makes you the world's best teacher. You are not a teacher to me, you are also an inspiration. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. Next is Tanushka.
Happy Teachers Day, Miss.
Tanushka is showing her dedication to her teacher through a drawing. Where is she?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yeah, show me. Show everyone. Not
I did not do drawing, but I do craft.
you have done craft. Okay. No problem. Wow. Have you written anything inside?
Yes, teacher.
Open it.
One minute.
Okay. Wow. Oh, there's a pocket is also there. Okay, so please read out the word. What you have written inside? Please read out.
Happy Teachers Day. I love my teacher because she is very beautiful. She teaches us very nicely.
Okay. Thank you, Anushka. Thanks for your dedication. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Next is Manya with Teachers Day quotes. Ready, Manya? Yes, Manya is here. Yeah.
Good evening, teacher and my dear friends. Today I will be sharing few quotes on this lovely occasion by thanking all the teachers of my life. This day is celebrated as a birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. A teacher presents the past, revels the present, and creates the future. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his or her own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. It's the teachers that make the difference, not the classroom. A teacher encourages mind to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Thank you very much for being my guru. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, Manya. Next is Raisha with her speech.
खड़े हो जाओ
Hello,
निक चालू
Wait. Focus.
hello everyone. I am Raisha Kavalu. Today on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day to show our gratitude and respect for our teachers. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. A teacher is a lamp who fills the light of knowledge inside us. A teacher spends her entire life showing us the right path. We are very grateful to you. Thank you, teacher, for being with us. As we grow, we will definitely make you proud in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Raisha. Next is Dipti is presenting her craft with her artistic work. Dipti. Where's Dipti? Wait for a minute. Dipti, start. Wow, so much of flowers. That's a pencil. What is written? Read out. Dipti, read out.
Dear teacher, thank you for continually inspire me to do my best. You helped me strive for goals. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love. Everything in one person, and that person is you. Happy Teachers' Day.
So much of handmade flowers are there. Blue flowers. Congrats your artist work. Thank you, Deepu.
Welcome, Auntie.
Okay. Next is Suchita. Suchita online?
Yes, miss.
Suchita is presenting chords.
Good evening to all. Good evening to all. Wish you a happy Teacher Day, Deepa teacher. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar, and idol teacher. Teachers alike are parents, friends, and guides. We should always avoid and respect our teacher. Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you, Suchita.
Welcome, miss.
Next is Rajashri. Where is Rajashri? Rajashri with her cute dance. Your dance is coming. Wait. Aisha, കേക്കല്ലേ? Aisha?
So, with all my heart, I want to say thank you.
Please send the sound.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Rajeshri. Next is a drawing made by Arpita. She is not here with us today because her brother's online classes are there. He's in 10th standard. That's why she won't be able to join today. So she had presented her drawings as her gratitude towards Teachers' Day. One more drawing is there. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Arpita. Next is a speech by Anamika. She already delivered a wonderful speech with so much of appreciation in the school today morning. And Natyadi members are here to listen for her wonderful words with graceful expressions. Come, Anamika, welcome.
I'm very much proud to be a part of this special occasion that is Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and the Second President of India. Every year, 5th of September is recognized as Teachers' Day in order to commemorate his birth anniversary. On this special day, we take pride and gratitude to honor our teachers who paved way for us. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted toward education. So, Teachers' Day is celebrated all across India. Every year, 5th of September, to pay tribute to the teachers for their precious contribution to the society. A teacher is a good friend and guide of our life, who also impact the values in us. Teachers teach us school subjects and also teach the importance of discipline, hardworking, and emotion. They take all their efforts so that we can be successful tomorrow. It is rightly said, teaching is a one profession that creates many other professions. Teachers' Day is celebrated in all the schools and all teaching institutions to recognize and appreciate teachers' hard work. Once again, I wish all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Anamika. Next is Ashwini presenting her craft work. Thank you, Ashwini. Next is
Welcome, Aunty.
next is next is a speech. A speech by Shreya. Shreya,
Yes, teacher.
come. Where is? Okay.
Teacher, can I start?
Wait for a minute. He's only waiting to start. Start.
Teacher, wait.
Start. What happened? What happened, Sneha? Sorry, Shreya.
Teacher, they were making sound.
Who is making sound there?
Teacher, brother and sister.
Brother and sister. Where's your mama?
Teacher, mummy नीचे है.
Now start.
Good evening, respective teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers' Day. You are aware of the fact that 5th September, birth anniversary of second President, respected Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year in joy and happiness. His life journey is not only inspiring, but its life itself has immense life lesson to teach us. And that's why we celebrate 5th September, his birthday anniversary as Teachers' Day in India. Commemorate his impeccable contribution to field up education. He was evocative teacher who believed a teacher should be the best image in the country. Teachers are greater than the parents because parents give birth to child, whereas teachers provide them good guidance, make us successful in our life. It is possible to define teacher as teachers are not only limited for teaching or guiding students for academic, but also helping students to take right path. Now, during this pandemic situation, then the school, colleges, tuition classes are closed. The education is still continuing. This is just because of teachers. These days, which ask you only one that is sitting in front of the mobile laptop, start attending the lectures. But teachers can't this year. Even though we are able to go to school, unable to go to school, colleges, tuition classes, but the teachers are teaching us online classes with full dedication. They can't just make a right setup before teaching or before coming online for teaching. During this corona period, also there is no contribution for teachers. Previously, they have to prepare before teaching. This is the same way now the lockdown for online classes. They have to study so they can give us a exact and correct information. Really, hats off all the teachers and extend my gratitude to each and every teacher. This selfless love, respect, selfless determination, support. Thank you to all teachers. We are all always grateful to you. Thank you for being source of knowledge and wisdom. We are really grateful to you. The French philosopher Utsav Le Bon was rude. The only region mankind has his hope, and these lines are exactly defined. For whom teachers provide hope to perform a activity, while hope to score good in examination, hope to be successful in life. Thank you to all the teachers. teaches us selflessly and help us to reach our aim. Lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers for supporting me, always guiding me and inspiring me and motivating me. Thank you so much. Teachers definitely make you proud in years to come. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you.
So much important points. And she pointed out the hard work and commitment and dedication of teachers during this pandemic period. Thank you, Shreya.
Welcome, teacher.
Next is a song by Arunima.
गुरु ने संसार समाया, उनके है आशीष पाया, प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का ये स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान का सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान का सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। गुरु ने संसार समाया, उनके है आशीष पाया, प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का ये स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान का सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। गुरु रत्नाकर सूर्य जी है, हम सबके धारणहारे। गुरु रत्नाकर सारे जी है, हम सबके धारणहारे। सबके जीवन मैया को देते हैं वो किनारे। 57 साल उन्होंने है ज्ञान का अमृत बांटा, अब उनके जन्म दिवस पे हम सबका है ये वादा, उसी का है उसे अपनाएंगे, खुशियों को पाएंगे। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान का सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान का सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है, इनसे ही जन्नत है, इनसे ही जन्नत है।
Thank you, Arunima. Next is Niharika.
Good evening to all.
Wait, Nia.
Wish you a happy.
Yeah. Start. Start, Nia.
Wish you a happy teacher. A teacher is someone who sees each child as a unique person and encourage individual's talent. A teacher looks beyond each child's face and sees inside their soul. A teacher is someone with a special touch and a ready smile who takes the smile to listen to both sides and always tries to be fair. A teacher has a caring heart that respects and understands. A teacher teaches the entire child and helps to build confidence and brave. A teacher makes a difference in each child's life and affects each family and the future of us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Nia. Next is Ankita, which small speech and quote. Wait, Ankita. Yeah, start.
It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on this 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of this birthday. Teachers' Day is important for the students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by their teachers to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to the Teachers' Day celebration as their efforts get recognized and C is for talented that you surely are. E is for explaining so patiently. A is for the ability to make the class fun. C is for correcting us when we are wrong. H is for helping us in every way. E is for encouraging us to do our best. R is for rare. There is only one of you. So, thank you, Deepa teacher. We think you are great too. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita.
Teacher, can I show my card?
Yeah, sure. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, great, Ankita. Open. Now you have written so many things here. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Next is Devika. Next is Devika with a poem written by herself. Where is she? Huh.
Here.
Yeah. Gitu, don't disturb her.
My poem's name is Teacher, the Burning Light. A teacher is a teacher who guides us to our future, burns themselves to light us, and never stops to delight us. They show us away from habits that are danger to ensure our life remains safer. Each and every teacher wishes to see her student on a great level. But for a student, a teacher does everything in life on greater level. Wishing you all happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Devika.
Thank you.
Keep writing. Thank you. Next is Pavitra with her dance performance.
Happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful teachers. Today I want to thank to teachers who are taking so much of pains to teach us, even a COVID time. So with a small heart, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I am doing a small dance dedicated to all respected teachers. Guru
Pavitra.
Welcome, Miss.
Next is a speech by Rohini. Rohini is online. I can't see you.
Are you online?
Rohini.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, I can't see you. Where are you? Ah, yeah. Yeah, welcome.
Start.
Yeah, start.
Good evening. Good evening, friends and teachers. Today we are celebrating on the occasion of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday. He is considered as one of the greatest teachers of India. He believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. He was also the second president of India and was rewarded India's highest awards, Bharat Ratna. I also thank Deepa teacher on the occasion for her selfless dedication in teaching us, especially during lockdown. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you so much. It was because of my request in the morning, and she was with a drawing work in the morning, and requested her to make a speech because she had a UK accent. That's why. Okay. Thanks, Rohini. Next is Nirja is not able to join us today because of some internet problems. So she had sent her craft work to me just now. I am displaying it on the screen. We are missing Nirja. Okay, thank you, Nirja. Next is a speech by Ahana. Ahana is online.
Yes, miss.
She's back from Kerala day before yesterday. Welcome to Nirtyadi, back after 6 months. Yeah.
Miss, can I start?
Yeah, start.
Hi all, I'm Ahana Surat studying in Standard 5th. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. This day coincides with birth anniversary of Mr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. This day is a special day dedicated to the teachers for their contribution to society and nation. It is the best day for the students to express love and respect for their teachers. I would like to thank my parents who guide me on my journey of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahana. Next is a song by Nivedya. Nivedya, are you online? Nivedya. I can see your name in the participant list. Where is Nivedya? Nivedya? I think he's having some network problem. Nivedya? Nivedya? Nivedya, can you hear me? Hi, Nivedya. Coming, I think. Nivedya. 1 minute.
Auntie.
1 minute. Nivedya is sending her video because of the network problem. So, tab tak, there is a speech with Master Abhijit.
Can I start?
Wait. Yeah, start.
A very good evening to one and all. I'm very proud to be a part of this wonderful occasion, that is Teachers' Day. As we all know, 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in order to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the best teacher, philosopher, and mentor India had. We have been celebrating birthday as Teachers' Day since 1962, and this humble suggestion came from Dr. Radhakrishnan himself. When he was the president of the country, his students and friends were seeking his permission to celebrate his birthday. And he said, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my privilege if 5th December is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Dr. Radhakrishnan only involved in past students with the best education. He kept moving from one institution to another, molding students into a better human being. His early days as educator, after his MA in philosophy, the charismatic leader was appointed as a faculty member in the Department of Philosophy at Madras Presidency College. He was such a great child that his students loved and respected him immensely. One incident testifies the practice. The students arranged a flower carriage and put it themselves to top the best shirt in the reputation. When he was leaving the Mysore University, which he had joined in 1918, to join as professor in Calcutta, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan will always remain as an inspiration, not only for students, but also for the educators. He had a firm belief that a good teacher can guide a student to the highest success in his life. And that is why he said, teachers should be the best minds in the country. And here I would like to end my speech by wishing all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijit. Next is Vaishnavi with her drawing. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is not responding. Vaishnavi. Please give me 2 more minutes to copy down Nivedya's video. तब तक सृष्टि बीच में बुला रही थी टीचर सृष्टि.
हाँ आंटी हम लोग
You want to do something?
यस आंटी पोयम और ग्रीटिंग कार्ड.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Can I say?
Yeah, wait for a minute. Yeah, start.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, my teacher, for teaching us everything. You developed our hand to create and mind for thinking. Thank you, my teacher, for making us hardworking. You brighten our future by teaching us and learning. Thank you, my teacher, for enlightening our way to and support. I want to say with heart that you are so amazing. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you, Srishti. Drawing
Auntie
is there.
Swara's also.
Swara's drawing. Wait for a minute.
Swara's poem.
Poem. Okay, yeah.
My teacher. My teacher is best. She never ever rests. She works hard day and night to make me very bright. She is like a mother for me. That's why I am not afraid to be. One day will I am grow up. I would like to thank her for not give up. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Auntie craft.
Craft work.
Teacher, teacher,
हाँ. Who is that?
network नहीं मिल रहा है.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, teacher.
You send the photo of your drawing, your craft, whatever it is.
Okay, teacher.
Send me fast. Srishti and Swara's craft work. Srishti, you are on mute, I think. You're saying something, na? Please unmute. Okay. Thank you. Vaishnavi is sending her picture. Please wait for 2 minutes. I'm downloading Nivedya's
Auntie
song.
Swara's also is there.
Who is speaking? Srishti, you want to say something?
Auntie, it is Swara's.
Varaz? Okay, okay, good, good.
Yes. Thank you, Auntie.
Good.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Swara. Everyone, please wait for 2 minutes. Nivedya's song video is downloading. Nivedya is here with a Malayalam song as her dedication to all the teachers.
അറിവിൻ്റെ തിരുനാളം അണയാതിരിക്കുവാൻ അറിവേകി അറിവായി ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ അറിവിൻ്റെ തിരുനാളം അണയാതിരിക്കുവാൻ അറിവേകി അറിവായി ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ നേർവഴി കാട്ടിയും നേരിൽ ചലിച്ചും വഴികാട്ടിയായിടും അധ്യാപകർ നേർവഴി കാട്ടിയും നേരിൽ ചലിച്ചും വഴികാട്ടിയായിടും അധ്യാപകർ ആയിൽ തുടങ്ങുന്നൊരക്ഷരത്തിൽ മുഖത്ത് കൈപിടിച്ചെന്നെ ഉനിക്കുമിവർ കൈപിടിച്ചെന്നെ നയിക്കുമിവർ അറിവിൻ്റെ തിരുനാളം അണയാതിരിക്കുവാൻ അറിവേകി അറിവായി ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ സ്നേഹമായി തീർന്നും സഹനങ്ങളേറ്റും വെളിച്ചമായി തീർന്നിടും അധ്യാപകർ സ്നേഹമായി തീർന്നും സഹനങ്ങളേറ്റും വെളിച്ചമായി തീർന്നിടും അധ്യാപകർ അറിവു പകർന്നും തിരിച്ചറിവേകിയും നമ്മെ നയിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ നമ്മെ നയിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ അറിവിൻ്റെ തിരുനാളം അണയാതിരിക്കുവാൻ അറിവേകി അറിവായി ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ ജ്വലിച്ചിടും അധ്യാപകർ
Happy Teachers Day to all.
Thank you, Nivedya. Next, Vaishnavi's drawing. Wait for 2 minutes. Vaishnavi had done so much of artistic work. 4 or 5 drawings are there. Wait for 2 minutes. Let me open it. In the meantime, anyone wants to do something else? Or any mamas want to say something? I think 97-98% attendance are there. One is Malavika is missing, then Nirja is missing. All others are there, I think. No, no one wants to talk to me. Huh? Nivedya looks so matured in saree, na?
Deepa, today is your day, so you should talk.
I'm only talking for the last 1 hour, dear. You can also share your thoughts. You are also great teachers as moms, na?
Definitely, yes.
And you can have, share your experience with your teachers.
Hmm.
You are welcome, always welcome, no problem.
True.
Yeah, Lakshmi, you want to talk
Anyways,
something?
happy Teachers Day to you.
Thank you, Sarika.
And of course, to my mom, who has brought me till here. She is my best teacher in my life.
Yeah, of course. For everyone, the moms are the best and the first and the greatest teachers.
Teachers, correct.
Here comes Vaishnavi's drawing. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Come on. From the participant list, anyone has missed? No, na?
Teacher, I.
Who is that?
Sneha.
Neha.
Sneha speech is remaining. Sorry, Sneha. You can do now. Yeah.
Good evening, Deepa teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is the best way for students to express their love and respect for their teachers. As we all know, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day online. Because of lockdown, teacher is taking tireless efforts to teach us dance in online system. She is doing her level best to save our one academic year. We were thankful to her for all the efforts she is taking for us. Thank you for supporting us and being with us. We will all make you proud in the years to come. Do you know why this date was chosen for Teachers' Day? This day marks birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who dedicated his life towards education. Once he was asked by students to celebrate his birthday, he said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday was then declared as Teachers' Day to acknowledge all teachers. In the end, I would like to give a special thanks to our Deepa teacher for such a beautiful choreography for prayer dance. You taught me so well in such a short time by taking time out from your busy schedule. A dance teacher helps the students to find the song in their heart, the beat in their feet, and the passion for life. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Sneha.
Welcome.
Thanks for your gratitude.
Welcome,
And,
teacher.
I trust all of you will make me proud in future. And even now also, all of you are making me proud by presenting so much of gratitude with all your commitment and dedication and love towards me. Thank you so much. We are winding up with a dance fusion. This is a special dance performance. Goddess Saraswati's music instrument. What is that? Which instrument? Goddess
Veena.
Veena. And this music, this dance is based on a music which is only with Veena. Only Veena instrument is used. There is no lyrics, no other instruments are used. Only Veena music. And on this occasion, for the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, I chose this song, this audio for our senior students, Niharika and Akshita, and they have made it so beautiful in their own way, and I have made it fusion, and I am very much thankful to both of them because it is one of my favorite music, and they have given life to that music in such a way that I couldn't have expressed my words in just telling something. Just a cute and loving kiss to both of you. It was a wonderful fusion. Love you so much, Nia and Akshita. I am very proud of you both in every way. And the last month, you are also declared as winners in the dance online dance competition. I'm also proud of you in such a way that you are very wonderful dancers. And I got you both in the last moment. In that thing, I am very much sad about that because I wanted to bring you up from the very little age. And luckily, I was lucky to get you in such a way that you are molded.
பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா, ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா, ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதுடா, இது குத்தாட்டம் ராக்காட்டம் நீ கேளுடா. பாட்டொன்னு பாட போறேன்டா, ஆடாம இருக்க முடியாதுடா, ஊரெல்லாம் விசிலு பறக்குதடா, இது குத்தாட்டம் ராக்காட்டம் நீ கேளுடா.
Malu, what is this? Class start होने वाला है. Armandi properly रखो. Hands must be stretched to shoulder level.
चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो सुंदरधर विरागधर सुंदरधर विरागधर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबरधर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबरधर चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो